Hi everyone, this is Brad. In this tutorial, we're taking a look at how you could take a Google Sheet like this one and have it fit on one page. So you can see I have rows and columns, and I've removed the ones to the right, and then underneath you can see I have removed the ones at the bottom, the rows at the bottom. The way I did that, I just simply went just like this, went over, selected on the right, and then deleted the rows. So I selected a bunch of them, darn near 1,000, removed them, and it comes up looking a lot cleaner. Now to print it, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead, Control P, and you can see it's going to print a total of 6 pages. If I go landscape, it's going to print a total of 4 pages, and you can see how it looks. It's not great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to scale, fit to page, and now you can see it's a total of 1 page. And while the print is small, for this example that I'm using, it works quite nicely. It may not for you because maybe you have a few more rows, columns, so on and so forth. But it is one way that you could fit everything onto 1 page to print out. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.